Alright, so the last video we did, it was the GRC Lightning McQueen for Global Racing Cup. So now for this next unboxing, I'm going to show you the next thing I got, which is SnotRod. SnotRod with flames. I'll show you the other tuners that I have too. He's kind of a cool car. But like, he doesn't talk much. He's kind of like Red. Red doesn't talk that much. Have these little flames on the sides of him. He has his name on all sides of his body. Even his license plate is his name. No, I'm not sure if it's me, but like, I think we need a Cars movie where it's just a backstory of the tuners characters, like on like the movie is based off of DJ, Boost, SnotRod, and Wingo. I think the closest we got to that was the Mater's Tall Tales Tokyo Mater. And there was like a small scene in Cars 2 where where they're like at Japan, at Tokyo, Japan. So now let's show you the other ones that I have. I have Wingo with flames, which is pretty cool. And I have DJ with flames. Let's see. So let's see. This is in Thailand, made in Thailand. So let's see. So I think that was about it for this video. So I'll see you guys in the next video.